Well, ODOT says it's ready for this next round of winter this weekend. Crews work today loading trucks with salt, preparing the plows, and they will be working 12-hour shifts, keeping a close eye on pavement temperatures, as ice can certainly build pretty quickly on those ramps, bridges, and overpasses specifically.
Definitely. It is coming up on 6:15 right now. Betsy Kling already at the weather wall over there. Got a lot to get to this evening.
A lot to get to. No problems tonight whatsoever. That's some great news for the date night situation on Friday night, right? And it's Valentine's Day. Lots of pressure here. But temperatures are going to hold steady in the mid-20s, even start to click up a couple of degrees as we head toward daybreak. Cloudy skies will be with us. We do have that winter weather advisory until midday tomorrow. That's because this snow is coming our way, and it will be arriving pre-dawn. It will impact your morning. We're going to track that snow into northern Ohio in the early morning hours. It will probably pick up in intensity and coverage after 6 a.m. I think widespread snow across northern Ohio. You can see even at 9 a.m. we're still dealing with that snow, which is going to start to change to rain as warmer air works in. Periodic showers will be with us through Saturday afternoon. Saturday night, a whole nother slug of moisture comes in, and we have periods of heavy rain possible Saturday night alone. Then, as our area of low pressure moves to the northeast, we will have a big swing of cold air that starts to move through northern Ohio, and that will mean a quick change from rain to snow, and we will have snow showers that continue on for Sunday, even a few of those snow showers lasting into Monday. So ahead of all this mess that we have coming in, it is a sloppy, wintry, wet mess. We have this weather impact alert for you because we want to help you time all of your different plans accordingly. Now, the winter weather advisory kicks off at 1 a.m. and goes till midday Saturday. That's notable because it does look like after midday things are going to be improving. So the snow comes in pre-dawn. We will have some periods of heavy snow tomorrow morning, even after daybreak. That will continue until probably mid to late morning when we start to get the changeover from the snow to the rain taking place. Once that batch of snow moves out, I'll show you in a minute on the hour by hour, but we will get a bit of a break from all the action. We'll have a few scattered rain showers around, but you can see all of the chances are pretty low. So that's going to be the window to get out and get stuff done if you don't want to deal with any of this. Even into the evening hours, as this rain moves in, it's just rain. However, we may have some blocked drains that could make some issues on some localized flooding issues on roads and whatnot. Then tomorrow night, after the heavy rain comes through and the cold air finally gets here, that's when we will go back from the rain to the snow Sunday morning. So let's track it now in your National Designer hour by hour forecast. No problems tonight. The snow moves in the early morning, and this is a snapshot of what it could look like at 6 a.m. Heavy snow coming down. This is going to be a wet snow too, so slick conditions will be with us. As the morning goes on, that snow will begin to shift to the east as warmer air begins to move in. That means we're going to change the snow over to rain. It may be a gradual process for some locations, but by noon we should start to see improving conditions. In the afternoon it looks fine. I think we could get a few rain showers here and there. Evening, now we have rain that's coming back at us, and then here comes that whole nother round of moisture, and you can see we get some heavy rain potential coming in, 1/2 to 1 inch of liquid falling between rounds of snow. So if you get a few inches of snow in the morning tomorrow, make sure you get it away from the drains on or near your property, because that will help to keep things draining away once that rain gets here. 7 a.m. Sunday, check the clock. There you see it. There's the line. That's the front. When that front comes in, we will probably have a hit of intense snow that comes down. So that's a big concern for Sunday morning, because at the same time that that intense snow is coming in, the temperatures are coming down and the winds are going to start to go up. So we have widespread snow for Sunday morning. That becomes a little more scattered in the afternoon, but I do think we will continue to have periodic snow showers all day Sunday and then even into Monday. The accumulation breakdown is tricky because we have the morning snow tomorrow, which I firmly believe 1 to 3 inches will be all across northern Ohio. Then we have a 1/2 to 1 inch of rain that's coming in before the additional 2 to 6 inches of snow that comes in on Sunday. So if we start to add all these different factors together, I think widespread across northern Ohio, we are looking at 3 to 7 total inches. We could have some areas that get a little bit more. Let me break it down this way for you. Here's your 1 to 3 inches for Saturday morning. Notice it is widespread. It's everybody 1 to 3 inches. Then we get the rain. rain, and then Sunday's snow adds on. Notice that the heavier snow is north because we're going to have lingering snow showers here rather than farther south, but you're still looking at 3 to 5 inches of snow potentially south of US 30. That's a pretty good hit. So definitely make sure you plan around all of this. If you have things, especially Sunday, I'd say is probably going to be the trickier day of the two. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast. After that whole mess gets out of here, we have some cold air that's settling in. We will be in the teens all week next week with single-digit low temperatures. We won't make it back out of the teens until Friday. Right now, next weekend, it's actually looking pretty good for us. We might even get above freezing with partly cloudy skies.